another stop at Dunkin. Because they didn't make this right. So we went to another Dunkin. Let's hope they made it right. My Christmas shirt on.
Yes.
Well, it has ice and it has sugar in it and cream. Looks better than the other one, so let's take a sip.
Restaurants to choose from, like Matt's Fish Can, Blue Coast, Thompson Island Brewing, and
That's better.
There's something for everyone on your list. SoDelConcepts.com.
So now we're going shopping. It's not focusing on you, so I'm the star here. These are some fancy coffee machines. Someone's gonna go see Parker. You gonna go see Parker? And get some snackies? Yeah. What do you think? So I got my Christmas bow in and my Santa bestie dress on. So you are all styling. You're ready for the holidays. So ready. So we're at Parker's house and he's not even home. See, but he's coming. He's still gonna be here. So watch now. Right now we're watching Home Alone. She's waiting for him. You wait for him. Who's here? Is he coming? Oh no! Yay! Who is that?
Get down here. What the hell are you wearing?
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
What the hell are you wearing?
Like, it's just us here.
Would they go to Sam's?
I think so.
Hey, what the hell are you wearing? You hear her snoring.
We're making Parmesan garlic drumstick wings. Yummy. So you have pepper, salt, and canola oil. Canola in first. Then you put it in a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. Yay! Look at those spices. This is gonna be good.
Fuck yeah, I make everything good. Oh, I'm not supposed to swear.
There's one. Going to be yummies. So it's in there for 20 minutes. Then we rotate. Then another 20 minutes. Then we'll be back. You hear it sizzling?
Yeah, I'm right here, dummy.
ASMR.
Fuck yeah.
So now the sauce is getting made. So you put some olive oil in it, Let the butter melt. It's almost melted. Then you add some garlic. And then you'll add some Parmesan cheese, paprika, red pepper, and black pepper, and salt. And he's making veggies and a pizza. Ta-da! And then you just add some more Parmesan cheese on top.
I'm so sorry.
Mix. What are you laughing for?
I think it's spicy.
Great.
It might be different with the chicken. This chicken's like breaking apart. Good chicken.
That's good in a little bit, but nummies.
Ooh.